came with questions in your eyes, gold on your sleeves, truth on your mind. Cross that sand for a higher view, wanting more than what you knew. You heard the room, I heard the call. Some doors open when you lean and listen. You sat in the shade and stood tall, writing down every answer you were given. Oh, the journey changes you when the lesson turns to light. Oh, the more you wanna know, the more your heart feels right. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. Take the road, take the road. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. Let the old world go. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. You were made to grow. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba, and the answer shows. Now the tables turn and you teach how to wear your crown with grace. Every scar becomes a page, every prayer leaves a trace. You don't chase what glitters sells, you choose the well that runs deep. Faith in your hands, strength in your breast, soft as rain, steady as a heartbeat. Oh, the journey changes you when the lesson turns to light. Oh, the more you wanna know, the more your heart feels right. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. Take the road, take the road, take the road, take the road. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba, Queen of Sheba. Let the old world go. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. You were made to grow. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba, and the answer shows. If the night gets long, keep your lamp held high. If the path feels steep, let the truth be your guide. You don't need to know it all, just enough to begin. One brave step, one open door, and the light comes in. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. Take the road, take the road, take the road, take the road. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. Let the old world go. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba. You were made to grow. Seek wisdom, Queen of Sheba, and the